Good evening, ma'am.
A very good evening. Let me just see who and all are connected to me before I get started with the class. I have Vijeta Gautam is there, Kaushik, Nitin Kaushik. Nitin Kaushik, is this your first class, Nitin?
नहीं मैम, थर्ड क्लास।
Third class.
जी मैम।
मेरा मेरा
हाँ मैम
पहला
आप।
क्लास। हाँ, मेरा आपका पहला क्लास है ना? हाँ।
जी मैम, तीसरा क्लास। दूसरा क्लास में भी ले गया था, वहाँ गया था का बैटरी था, लाइन भी नहीं था। फर्स्ट क्लास में हम बोले थे ये न्यूज के बारे में एंड द हिंदू ऐप के बारे में, याद है?
हाँ 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 हाँ। तो आप थे उस क्लास में?
जी मैम।
ठीक है ठीक है। आपने एडमिशन ले लिया नितिन?
नहीं मैम।
Okay, okay. Okay, Nikhil, Sunil is there, Purvi is there, Raghunandan is there, Sahil is there, Samiksha is there. And yeah, people who yet to want to join us, they'll join us later. But uh, Raghunandan will see me. Raghunandan, with what and all we are done today, we will be doing little maths. What have we done in maths, Raghu?
Ma'am, we solved some algebraic sums.
Algebraic sums. Oh, number system. We are still in number
Yeah, about
system.
algebraic
Yes मैम।
expressions.
Oh, algebraic expressions. Oh, we are way back. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
chalo. Okay. Okay, we will be winding up with the number system today. But then, yeah, I think we need to solve few of the questions. What is the question that we solved regarding number system in the last question? Did I dictate some question?
Yes, ma'am. You
What
did.
was the last question?
A man spends two-fifths of his salary on
Okay,
a
okay.
house
Yeah,
rent.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Okay. Okay. Uh, didn't we discuss this question? A third of Arun's marks in mathematics exceeds half of his
Yes,
marks in
ma'am.
English.
That was the last question, I guess.
Yeah, this was the last question. Okay, chalo. This completes your number system. Not more than this is required. And we will be jumping into the next topic, which is known as what? Percentage. Shall we jump into the topic percentage?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. Okay. Today we will be discussing with the topic percentage. And see, when you want to write the percentage in terms of correct number, how is that you're going to do it? And this will help you to make the calculation very easy. So I want you all of you to note down this clearly and have a note on it. Okay. So what is the first thing? One can be written as what? 100%. One by two can be written as what? 50%. 1 by 3 can be written as what? 33.33%. 1 by 4 can be written as what? 25%. 1 by 5 can be written as what? 20%. 1 by 6 can be written as what? 16.66%. 1 by 7 can be written as what? 14.27%. 1 by 8 can be written as what? 12.12%. 1 by 9 can be written as what? 11.11%. 1 by 10 can be written as what? 10%. This data is very much important. You need to write all this data. Copy down. This data is very much important to solve any kind of question in percentage.
I'm copied.
Very good. How is generally percentage? How you can write x percentage? How you can write x percentage? X by 100. Anything which is upon 100, that is known as percentage. Anything upon 100, that can be written as the percentage. Is this clear? Shall we jump into the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the first question that I wanted you all to do? As you know that every time in my classes, we will go step by step from the easier to the harder. So this is the easiest one. How will you see me the values of this? 56 percentage, 4 percentage, 0.6 percentage, 0.08 percentage. How much is the value of 56? It is very easy that you're writing 56 divided by 100, which will be further if you can, make any simplification, you can 14 by 25. From 4, if you cancel, you will get 14 by 25. It's enough to stop till there. Okay. Now, what is 4 percentage? 4 by 100, which can be also written as what? 1 by 25. 0.6. See, now you should always make very much clear that whenever you're having point, don't make the answer very complicated. If I remove this point, then what it gives me? One more zero in the denominator, 6 by 1000. Which if you further class, simplify, you may get 3 by 500. 2 3s are 2 500s are. That is the maximum simplification you can do. So 0.08 divided by 100. If I want to remove this point after two numbers, that means I will add what? 2 zeros in the denominator. So it becomes 10,000. 8 divided by 10,000. Where if you cancel from 8 ones, it gives 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 8 fives are 0s are 1 by 1250. This is the maximum simplification. Percentage is converted into normal number. Am I clear with this, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Evaluate a 28 percentage of 450 plus 45% of 280. You should say me the value of this. 28% of 450 plus 45% of 280 is how much?
Ma'am, 252.
Wonderful. Yeah, correct answer. So it's very easy that 28 divided by 100 into 450 plus 45 divided by 100 into 280. Okay. So when you make further calculation, what you will get? 0, 0 gets cancelled. 2 5s are 2 14s are 5 1s are 5 9s are 9 14s are is how much? Or 14 9s are is how much? 126 plus 0 0 gets cancelled. 5 2s are 5 9s are 2 1s are 2 14s are 14 9s are 126. 126 plus 126 will give you 252. Did you all get 252? Everyone check out.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you got it? Vijeta. Oh, Bhumika have joined. Krishnanjali have joined. Okay, so many people have joined me. Vaibhav have joined me. Okay. Okay. Once if this is done, let's move to this question now. Say me the value of this. 16 2 by 3 percentage of 600 gram minus 33 1 by 3 of 180 gram. See, whenever such questions in units is given, it is your responsibility that you should convert either gram. If this is in gram and this is in kg, you should take responsibility to convert this kg into gram. So whenever there is a question, the whole thing should be of the same unit. So what you can write? See, very simple. 2 by 3 can be written as what? 0.66. 1 by 3 can be written as what? 0.33. That means 16.66 percentage of 600 minus 33.33 percentage of 180. So I have the value of this. What is 16.66? 1 by 6. What is 16.66 percentage? 1 by 6 of 600 minus. What is 33.1? 33.33 I had given a value, that is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 of 180. So what this gives? 6 1s are 6 1s are. So this is 100 minus 3 1s are 3 6s are. So this is 60. What is the answer? 40 grams. 40 grams is the answer. Are we done with this? Clear to everyone? See,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
since I was having the easier value for this, because my brain was enough smart to convert this 2 by 33 into 0.6, 1 by 33 into 33, 0.33. Mix with that, you will get 33.33 and 16.66. I have the ready-made value of this. 16.66 can be written as 1 by 6 in the value. 33.33 percentage can be written in the value 1 by 3. Substitute that. It doesn't take very much longer procedure to find out the answer. You will easily get 40 grams. Clear, my dear students? Anyone, if you have any doubt, please have a concern to ask me the question.
Ma'am, please repeat once.
16 2 by 3. 2 by 3, when you just cross check, what you will get? 0.66. 2 by 3 will give you 0.66. So that 0.66 I am writing along with 16. It gives me 16.66. And 33 1 by 3. 1 by 3 I can write as 0.33. So it gives me 33.33. Instead of 1 by 3, I can write it as 0.33. Now, I have given the people who missed the class at the initial, I don't know. I had given at the initial the values of each percentage. So in
Yes,
that, 16.66 percentage can be written as 1 by 6. 33.33 percentage can be written as 1 by 3 as a value. Sorry?
No, ma'am.
1 by 6 into 600 minus 1 by 3 into 180. When you just make the cancellation, you will get 100 minus 60, which is giving you 40. Hence, it is in the unit gram, so I will represent in the gram. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you, my dear students, Krishnanjali, Vijeta,
Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
all of you
Yes, ma'am.
clear? Shall we proceed to the next?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Excused, my dear. Yes, say me.
Ma'am, we can also convert it into simpler form, like 16 2 by 3, 50 upon
Yeah,
300, and then
Yeah.
into 600.
yeah. 16 2 by 3 can be written as what? How can you write
50
16
by
2 by
3.
3? Exactly. 50 by 3. 3 into 16 plus 2. That gives 3 into 16 is 48. 48
Yep.
plus 2 is 50. 50 by 3. 50 by 3 into 600. Okay. 50 by 3 into percentage 600. If you want to remove this percentage, what you will do? You will write 1 by 100, right? Into 1 by 100. Percentage you should remove and write 1 by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 gets cancelled. 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 2 into 50. It is giving you 100. Here also it gives you 100. Now, again here, 33, 3, 1 by 33, 1 by 3. 3 into 33 will give you 99, 100 by 3. So this can be written as what? 100 by 3 into 1 by 100, because I am removing the percentage symbol and I will be writing 1 by 100 into what is the value? 180. 3 ones are, 3 sixes are. Okay. This 0 gets cancelled. So what you are remained with? 60. That 60 again you are getting here, no? Anyways, in either ways you can do it. Only what matters is how much time are you taking to get into the answer. How smart are you thinking? Okay. See what happens the moment I get to know 16 2 by 3, I can directly write 1 by 6 into 600. 1 by 3 into 180. It takes me only few seconds to calculate. Am I clear with this? All of you with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Now here I will be throwing 3 questions on the board and let me see how many people will give the correct answer. And this time you all are in the phase now. See, initially I don't ask any answer from any one of you because I want everyone to settle up with the topic. Now I hope all of you are into the topic. Now it is my turn to ask the question individually. So write down this question, solve it. Don't say the answer. I will be asking it to the individual person. Okay. The first question is this. 2 is what percent of 50? Second question is what percent of 7 is 84? Question mark. Half is what percent of 1 by 3? Question mark. All of you who are sitting on the other side of me will be calculating this and I will be asking the answer of this individually. All of you should try there. Whoever is on the bed, sit up. Whoever is listening to me on the bed, simply like that, sit up, sit straight and solve the questions. I know since it is online class, I know what you people will be doing. I don't know whom I'll ask which question. So I want the answer of all the questions. Once, if you people are done, just say me you're done.
Ma'am, done.
Very good.
Done, ma'am.
Very good.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Very good. Nitin, did you find the answer? Ayo. Nitin have very good
Third का
network. Third का नहीं हुआ? Do it. Ayo.
Okay, ma'am.
Purvi, done Purvi. Samiksha,
Yes, ma'am.
Nikhil, Raghunandan,
Done,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
over.
Aradhya. When did you join me, Aradhya?
Before only I joined, ma'am.
Did you do the question?
Yeah, ma'am, I did it.
Vijeta, Ardra,
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Rishikesh. My brain is not.
Yes, ma'am.
Rishikesh, I know Rishikesh.
Yes, ma'am. Rishi only.
Rishi, oh yeah, I know Rishi, yes. Rishi. Vaibhav, did you complete this Vaibhav? Sahil, Krishnanjali completed?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know how many of you have, messed up, but you should say me clearly how many people got the answer correctly or wrong. Okay. See, now one thing I will say you, whenever it is off, it should be in the denominator every time. Okay, see, if I say that Neha has scored 35 out of 500. So, of 500. So, I will write in this way, no? 35 for 500. So, you should always remember that whenever it is off connected with the number, it should be in the denominator. So that means it is in the first case 50, in the second case 7 will be in the denominator, in the third case 1 by 3 will be in the denominator. Okay, so what am I going to do now? 2 is, whenever is, it will be in the numerator, and whenever is, it will be in the numerator. Whenever is there after the number, it will be in the numerator. So what is that? I should only calculate this. 2 is what? Percent of 50. Hence it is percent. I will just put 100 here. So 0, 0 cancel. 5 ones, 5 twos. So the first answer is 4. Okay, good. So here what? Percent of 7 is 84. So hence percent it is asking. So I should multiply with the 100 without fail. So what will I get here? 7 ones are 7,
1200.
12 are 12 into 100, that is 1200. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
and you should always not forget to put percentage, because you have calculated percentage. So percentage symbol should be there. 1 by 3, 2 by 3, the super denominator and super numerator will get exchanged, and you will get at the end 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into 100. 3 by 2 into 100 will give you what? 2 ones are
150.
50s are. 3 into 50 will give you 150. Everyone
the
got?
second answer is 1200.
Yeah, second answer is 1200. 84 into 100 by 7. 7 ones are 7 12s are 84. And it is into 100. 1200. Did everyone get this answer? 4,
Yes, ma'am.
1200 and 150.
Yes, ma'am.
So people can commit a mistake that numerator and denominator people may exchange. That is one mistake what they can do. So I am giving you a hint. Whenever it is off, it goes to the denominator. This thing should be very much important, and in your examination, actual data interpretation, such kind of confusions will lead you to answer the wrong option. Oh, was this clear to everyone? Any queries?
Yes, ma'am.
Any queries? My dear students,
No, ma'am.
I will be very glad that if you have a small doubt or a big doubt, it is my duty. I will clear. No matter what, I will clear. Okay, so please do have a concern, but don't sit there with a doubt, because you people are responsible for your own, result. Which is the greatest number in this 3? In this 3, say me the greatest number. (16) 2 by 3 can be written as 16.66. That can be written as 1 by 6. And 1 by 6 again can be written as 0.166. Okay. I converted it into this form. So 0.17 is there. 0.166 is there. This I will again convert, where I will get 0.133. 2 by 15, when you cancel it, you will get 0.133. So which is the greatest number here? 0.166, 0.133, 0.17. It is very much clear that 0.17 is the greater number. So whenever you wanted to calculate, whenever you wanted to identify the greatest number, you should convert it into one form. One of the number you should choose and convert all the numbers into that form. Okay, so that you can get the answer. Is this clear how 0.17 is greatest number?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I have a question for you all. Just note down the question. 65% of a number is 21 less than 4/5 of that number. 65% of a number is 21 less than 4/5 of that number. Then what is the number? You should say me the number. 65% of a number is 21 less than 4/5 of that number. Then the number is Solve the question. 65% of a number is 21 less than 4/5 of that number. Then find out the number.
Ma'am, please can you repeat?
65% of a number is 21 less than 4/5 of that number. 21 less than 4/5 of
140.
that number. Then the number is very good. 140. Gautam, very good. See, it is very much clear that 65% of a number is 21 less than 4/5 of that number. So 4/5 of that number less than to 65% of the number is how much? 21. This is the equation. Is 21. Just simplify this equation. What are you going to get? 4 by 5 x 4 by 5x minus 65 by 100x percentage I'm writing into 100 is equal to 21. So how much are you going to get? Let me take LCM as 100. So what I will get? 100 I will write. To make this 100 I should multiply 20 in the numerator. So it becomes 80. 20 into 4, 80. 20 into 4, 80 minus 65 and this is x and this is 21. So 80 minus 65 will give you how much? 15. 15 by 100x is equal to 21. So it's very much simple. X is equal to 21 into 100 divided by 15. Send this 15 by 10 that side. It becomes 100 by 15. So what is the answer? 3 5s are 15. 3 7s are 21. 5 1s are 5. 5 20s are 100. So what is the answer? 7 into 20. 140. X is equal to 140. Since I am saying it, it is taking longer. I could have done it in less than 30 seconds. Check out, my dear students. Did you all get? Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Samiksha, Nitin, Nikhil, Raghunandan, Aradhya, Vijeta, Ardra, Gautam, Rishi, Vaibhav, Sahil, Krishnanjali, everyone out there. Is this clear? Shall we move on?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I have a question here. Without dictating, I'll just write it on the board. I don't know what is the number of the question. Okay. If 50% of x minus y is equal to 30% of x plus y, then say me what percent of x is y? What percentage of x is y? Solve this question, all of you, my dear students. What is the answer? You should be as, your speed should be equal to wind and you should be as smart as enough. You should not take, you should not become cozy.
Ma'am,
Huh?
is the answer 8 by 2?
8 by 2. 8 by 2 cannot be cancelled further.
4%, sorry.
How can it be 4%? You are very much nearby, but you should do two more steps to get it in the percentage.
1 by 25%. Ma'am,
There also you have committed little mistake. Okay, chalo, let me solve it for all of you. It's very much clear that 50% of x minus y is equal to 30% of x plus y. So 50 by 100 x minus y is equal to 30 by 100 x plus y. Since 100 is in the numerator on both the sides, I can cancel it. 50x minus 50y. 50x minus 50y is equal to 30x plus 30y. Okay, x and x at one side. 50x minus 30x is equal to 30y plus 50y, which will give me what? Which will give me 50 minus 30 is 20x is equal to 80y. So here I will get what? 2x is equal to 4y. 2x is equal to 4y.
Ma'am, x is equal to 4y.
Ma'am,
So-
x is equal to 4y.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah. 2x is equal to 8y. 2x is equal to 8y. X is equal to 4y. Yeah. When I get x is equal to 4y, but what is the question asked? Is y of x? That means y by x percentage I need to find out. Y by x percentage. Y by x percentage, how I can write it?
25.
Y I will write as it is y. X I will write in terms of y again. That is 4y. Y get cancelled into 100 I have. Okay. 4 ones are 4 25s are. So it is not 1 by 25. It is 25% itself. So what is this? Y by x percentage is equal to how much? 25%.
ma'am,
Yes.
can you please explain me from that x is equal to 4y?
See, x is equal to 4y, right? I think this is Sahil asking me.
Yes, ma'am.
Sahil, x is equal to 4y. But what is it is asking in your question, Sahil? Question is asking you, is phi of x. So x will be in the denominator, y will be in the numerator, as I had explained in the last previous question.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
y by x percentage. So y by x can't you write in the terms of y as 4y, Sahil?
Okay, ma'am. Understood.
In the place of x, I will write 4y. Y get cancelled and you have percentage as 100 here. So 4 ones are 4 25s are. What is the answer? 25%. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Excused, Gautam.
Ma'am, I think the question is saying other way around because we are here finding what percent of. Okay, I got it. Yeah.
Got it, no, Gautam?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, that's why I answered late because I was not getting the last part of the question.
Now you got it, right? What
ma'am.
percentage of x is y? So y by x percentage it is asking, right? Once you identify what is x and y, relationship between that, you will get the answer easily. So that's why I said people get confused in such cases of and is. So never get hesitated. Of with the number in the denominator, is with the number in the numerator. That's all. This will clear entire doubts of everyone. Am I clear? Shall I proceed? I don't know how many people are taking it serious and not taking it serious, but my dear students, this is a very important topic for your data interpretation. Most of the times, the data what is given, they are expecting you to answer the percentage of it itself. So how much you are evolved in this, how much you open your pores of the brain in this topic, that is good for you. So please don't hold on there with a doubt. Shall we proceed? Any queries? Samiksha, clear?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Not clear, huh?
Cleared, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, for no queries, you said no, kya? Okay. A wrong time reply. Okay. This will be the last question. After this, we will take a break of 10 minutes and then we will be back. Is that okay?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I can't write this big question on the board. Okay. But I will be, see, listen me with the question whole one time. And then if you're missing something, I will be repeating it again. But don't interrupt in between. Okay. Now, two numbers A and B, two numbers A and B, two numbers A and B are such that the sum of 5% of A, the sum of 5% of A, the sum of 5% of A and 4% of B and 4% of B is 2/3 of sum of 2/3 of sum of 6% of A, 2/3 of sum of 6% of A and 8% of B, 8% of B. Find the ratio of A's to B. Find the ratio of A's to B. I'll repeat the question, my dear students. Whoever is missing any sort of data, please recover it. Two numbers A and B are such that the sum of 5% of A and 4% of B is 2/3 of sum of 6% of A and 8% of B. Find the ratio of A's to B. Find the ratio of A's to B. Come on, Nitin, Nikhil, Samiksha, Raghunandan, Aradhya, Vijeta, Ardra, Krishnanjali, everyone out there, Vaibhav, Sahil, Gautam, Rishi, all of you will not sit quiet. Try. No matter if you end up with the wrong answer, but you are satisfied that you tried, no? You should not sit quiet, or else your brain get
Ma'am,
rusted.
4/3.
Wonderful. Correct answer. It's very much simple that 5% of A and 4% of B is 2/3 of 6% of A and 8% of B. Solve this. How much time does it take? Very little time, right? So what you can do, you can cancel all the hundreds because 100 is there on both the sides. You can just cancel it. So you will be having what? 5a plus 4b is equal to 2 6 are 12, 12 by 3a plus 8 by, sorry, 8 twos are 16 by 3b. Okay, take the LCM. And what is the LCM here? That is not needed. You can just, swap the things like that. So what you will be getting? 5a. Whose song it is? 5a minus 12 by 3a is equal to 16 by 3b minus 4b. Just calculate this. Take the LCM of 5. 5 3 is a 15a minus 12a by 3 is equal to 3 4 is a 12. 16b minus 12b by 3. 3 3 on both the sides got cancelled. 15a minus 12a will give you 3a is equal to 16 minus 12b will give you 4b. But I want a is to b. A is to b in the sense a by b. So keep a here itself, send this b this side, it becomes a by b, and send this 3 that side, 4 by 3. So what is a is to b? A is to b is equal to 4 is to 3. 4 by 3. Lisha Reddy. Who is that Lisha Reddy? Who is this Lisha? When this student joined me? Okay. All of you got 4 by 3? Any doubts? How did we get A is to B is 4 by 3? Very simple calculation. Very simple. Clear, my dear students? Yes. All of you over there. नितिन आपको समझ में आ रहा है या सो
जी
गए हो?
मैम।
सोकर सुन रहे हो
नहीं
क्लास
मैम,
या कर रहे हो? करना पड़ेगा
करते
नितिन।
हैं मैम।
हाँ, दिमाग चलाना पड़ेगा, करना पड़ेगा, तभी कुछ होगा, है ना? Okay, chalo. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we will be taking 10 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, sorry. Anyone have some doubt?
No मैम।
Okay, chalo. We'll take 10 minutes of break. It is sharp. How much is the time? 4:51 right now. We will be back at sharp 5 o'clock. Is that okay?
Yes,
ओके
ma'am.
मैम।
Okay. All are there? All are back?
Yes, ma'am.
Nitin, Samiksha, Nikhil, Sunil, Raghu, Aradhya, Vijeta, Ardra, Krishnanjali, Gautam, Sahil, Vaibhav. Everyone are there? Okay,
Yes,
solve this
ma'am.
question. Solve this
Yes.
question. If someone is not understanding my handwriting, if something is wrong, please do ask me, but don't take it wrong values or in a wrong sense.
Ma'am, 13.75.
Yes, ma'am. 55 by 4.
If the question is copied, I'll just say you where you people have gone wrong. Please do rectify it. See, to identify the x value, first I need to identify the y value because x connection is given with the y and I need to calculate y first. Okay. So what is y? Y is 10% more than 125. How much is 10% of 125? 12.5. Right. So y's value is what? 125 plus 12.5 because 10% more than 125. Okay, so already 125 is there, 12 percentage more, that is 12.5. So how much y's value? 137.5. If this is the y value, what is x value? If number x is 10% less than another number y, 10% less, how much is 10% of 137.5? That is 13.75. Since it is less, I will write 137.5 minus 13.75 for the x. So how much it is? 137.5 minus 13.75 will give you how much?
123.75.
123.75. 123.75. This is the answer. People who have messed up, please do correct your mess. Clear your mess.
Ma'am, can you
Understand?
please repeat?
Yes. See, when you read the question properly, if number x is 10% less than another number y, so x ka value is directly connected with the y value. But before going into x, my sole responsibility is to calculate the value of y. Y is 10% more than 125. So 125 and how much is 10 percentage of 125 is 12.5. Hence it is more. So add with 125 12.5, which is 10% of it. You will get 137.5. This 137.5 ka 10% is how much? 13.75. Remove 13.75 from this 137.5, that is your x value because 10% less than the another number y. Okay, so this 137.5 ka 10% you should remove by itself. So you will get what? 123.75. Is this clear, my dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will be showing you one question here. Note it down and say me the answer of it. I think all of you are able to see my screen, and this is the
Yes, ma'am.
question. Yeah. So this is the question which I need to show it to you. Go on. Example 14. 14th example. All of you take down the 14th question here. Shobha's mathematics test had 75 problems. That is 10 arithmetic, 30 algebra, and 35 geometrical problems. She did not pass the test because she got less than 60% of the problem right. How many questions she would have needed to answer correctly to earn a 60 percentage passing grade? All of you copy this question.
Ma'am, can you orally repeat the question, ma'am? I'm not able to see the screen because of the internet connection.
Yes, ma'am. Even I can also not see.
Okay, okay. Then if that is the case, I will just dictate the question. 1 second. Okay. The question is like this. The question is Shobha's mathematics test had 75 problems. Shobha's mathematics test had 75 problems. That is 10 arithmetic, comma 30 algebra and 35 geometry problems. 10 arithmetic, 30 algebra, 35 geometry. Although she answered 70 percentage of the arithmetic, although she answered 70% of the arithmetic, comma 40% of 40% of the algebra, 40% of the algebra, and 60% of the geometry, 60% of the geometry problems correctly, comma she did not pass the test. She did not pass the test because she got less than 60% of the problems right. She got less than 60% of the problems right. Full stop. How many more questions? How many more questions she would have needed to answer correctly? How many more questions she would have needed to answer correctly to earn a 60% passing grade? To earn a 60% passing grade. I will repeat the question. Please have a look. Shobha's mathematics test had 75 problems. That is 10 arithmetic, 30 algebra, and 35 geometric problems. Although she answered 70% of arithmetic, 40% of algebra, and 60% of geometry problems correctly, she did not pass the test because she got less than 60% of the problems right. She got less than 60% of the problems right. Full stop. How many more questions she would have needed to answer correctly to earn a 60% passing grade? To earn a 60% passing grade. Semi, how many marks? How many questions she could have answered correctly?
Ma'am, is the answer 5?
3 more questions.
5, 3, okay. Any other answers? Number of questions attempted
Ma'am,
correctly.
3.
Okay, 3. Okay. Number of questions answered correctly. So,
I'm 5.
70% of arithmetic. 70 by 100 arithmetic was 10 questions plus 40 by 100 how much was that? 30 marks. Okay, plus 60 of 60% of 35. How much this will give you? 0 0 0 0 cancel 7 0 0 0 0 cancel 4 3s are 12 plus 0 0 cancel 2s are 5 2s are 5 7s are 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 7s are 21. So this will give me 21 12 7 40. So 40 questions she answered, attempted correctly. Okay, according to the data. Now, questions to be answered correctly for 60%. So, to get 60% of 75 questions, how many questions she could have attempted? 0 0 cancel. 2s. This is how much? 1s. 5s. 5 1s are 5, 2 carry 15. Yeah. 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 into 15. 3 into 15 will give me 45. Got it. These many questions she could have answered correctly to get 60%. But she have answered only 4. So 45 minus 40 will give you 5. So 5 more answers she could have answered correctly to get 60% of grade. Passing grade. Am I clear with this? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
5 is the answer. The people who got 3, please check out where you have messed up. My dear students, clear? Shall we pass to the next question, Nikhil? Raghu? Raghu, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Vijeta, Gautam, Aradhya, Krishnanjali, Vaibhav, my dear Rishi, Nitin, clear? Shall we pass on to the next question, my dear students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, the thing is, committing a mistake now while getting a knowledge of the topic is okay, but once you become pakka in that, you should not commit any mistakes. Okay, take down this question. I think you people will solve this. How many kg of pure salt must be added to 30 kg? How many kg? How many kg? How many kg of pure salt must be added to 30 kg of 2% solution of salt. 30 kg of 2% solution of salt and water. Salt and water to increase it to a 10% solution. To increase it to a 10% solution. I'll repeat the question again. How many kg of pure salt must be added to 30 kg of 2% solution of salt and water to increase it to a 10% solution? To increase it to a 10% solution. Go on.
Can you repeat again?
Ayo, I need to eat 10 chapatis then in my lunch. How many kg? Oh shit, the class is recording. I shouldn't have said that. Okay. Who said me to repeat? No issues, my dear. I can repeat 100 of times. How many kg of pure salt must be added to 30 kg of 2% solution of salt and water to increase it to a 10% solution? Am I clear? Is someone wanting me to repeat it again? Oh, thank God. Chalo, find out the answer for me. If not for me, for yourself. Come on, who will say me the answer? Answers. Answer me, my dear students. Ayyo, no answer. Samiksha, Nikhil, Raghu, Gautam, Ardra, Krishnanjali, Vijeta, Aradhya. What are you doing? Rishi, Vaibhav, Sahil, Nitin, where are the answer? Where is the answer?
Ma'am, is it 8/3?
Okay, let us check it. If it is 8/3, then it's very good. If not 8/3, then we will see. See what it is saying. You need to find out what, how many kgs of pure salt must be added to 30 kgs of 2% of solution of salt and water to increase it to 10% solution. That means 2% of the solution is there with the 30 kg of salt. That means how much it will give? 0, 0 cancel. 2 1s are 2 5s are 3/5. 3/5 can also be written as 0.6. 0.6 kg. Now, this 0.6 kg is the solution what is added to that 30 kg of solution of salt and water. 0.6 kg of solution of salt and water is present in 30 kg of salt. Now, I don't know how many kgs of salt should be added to make it, 10 percentage. What is now? I don't know. So, what I can do, 0.6 plus x divided by 30 plus x. To this amount, to that amount, I need to add it. So, how much am I getting it? So, how much is I should get? 10%. I should get 10%. Okay, so when you solve this, you will get x. So what it will give you? 0.6 plus x into 100 is equal to 30 plus x into 100. Okay.
Ma'am, into
So,
10.
no, into 10. Yeah. Into 10. So what it will give you? 100 into 0.6 will give you how much? 60 plus 100x is equal to 30 tens are 300 plus 10x. Make all the variations what you can make. Send this 60 that side. Send this 10x this side. So 100x minus 10x, 90x is equal to 300 minus 60, 240. X is equal to 240 by 9. 3 3s are 3 8s are. This is 90. Okay. So 80 by 30 you can also write as 8 by 3. See, sometimes what happens, you got answer as 8 by 3. You got answer as 8 by 3. But in your option, you will get 2 by 3. This is also 8 by 3 only, no? 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8 by 3. So it can be in the mixed fraction also, it can be in the general fraction also. Don't get confused with it. So 0.6 of solution getting added with x amount, I don't know, and 30 plus x was, the 30 percentage of the solution is added with that amount of salt. So when you take this, you will be getting 10 percentage. So when you solve this equation, you will be landing up to the answer 8 by 3, which can also be written as 2 by 3. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, chalo. Now here I go. I will be giving you the task of 5 questions now, and you should solve it within 5 questions, in the sense each question of 2 minutes. So 5 twos are 10. 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, I want the solution of these 5 questions. The question I am just putting it in the WhatsApp group. Please go through the questions. I want the answer within 10 minutes. Did you all receive the questions? 35 to 45 questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, solve it. Those are very easy. By this, we will be winding up. Once you solve these 5 questions, then we are done with the percentage. This much of knowledge of percentage is enough for you to go into data interpretation. The actual portion of your this thing. Did you all get the questions? Did you all get the 5 questions which I sent? Samiksha, Nikhil, Raghu, did you get?
Ma'am, the last words of the sentence are not clear.
The last.
Last few words of the sentence, every sentence.
Yes, ma'am. It's not clear.
Is it?
Ma'am, in the 35th question,
Okay. I understood. Okay. 1 second. It's just tilted little bit. I'll just delete this and I'll send it in a proper way. I think now it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go on everyone. Apply whatever knowledge you gained till now in the class. Go on with it. I need the answer. Now it is 5:30 exactly. I want the answers from everyone by 5:40. And if any doubt, I will be for sure solving it. Okay, chalo. I will be solving the questions one by one, and if the people who haven't got the solution, please do cross check it. Okay. It's very easy, but then at some places you may find the trickiest one. So you may have some confusions. I will be clearing it. Okay. If I take the 40th question, I will be coming in a reverse order. The 40th question, if I take 8 by 100 of x is same as 4 by 100 of y. Okay, so then 20% of x is same as 20% of x is. So 20% of x will be how much it is asking. Okay, so 100x, this 0, 0, 0, 0 on both sides, it's cancelled. That is 8x is equal to 4y. So x is equal to 2x is equal to y. Okay, so how much you want? 20% of x. 20% of x in terms of y. You want in terms of y. So what is x? X you can write as what? Y by 2. X you can write as y by 2. So substitute there 2 by 20 by 100 and y by 2. In the place of x, I will write y by 2. Okay, how much will I get? This is 1s and this is 21s, 25s. Y by 20 into y by 2 divided by 100 it is. So y by 2 whole divided by 5. So how much it is? Y by 10. So what is the answer? It is how much? 10%. Y by 10 in the sense what? It is 10% of y. What is the answer of the first question? 40th question. First option, 10% of y. Because you are getting how much? Y by 10. 20% of x is equal to y by 10. That means 10% of y. 10% of y. So answer is first option. Is this clear? Do you want me to explain it again?
No, ma'am.
So what is 39th question? It is saying 120 is 20% of number. 120 is a 20% of number. Then 120% of that number will be how much? 120% of that number will be how much? So 0, 0 gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 fives are 1 by 5. Send this 5 this side. 5 12s is how much? 5 10s are 50. 5 12s are 60. 600. X is equal to 600. If x you are getting 600, substitute that x here. 120 divided by 100 into 600. 0, 0, 0, 0 gets cancelled. 6 into 120. 6 2s are 10. 6 2s are 12. 1 carry, 6 1s are 6, 7. And here you have 0. Is the option there?
Yes, ma'am.
720?
Fourth option.
Okay, 720 is the answer. See, I don't have any solution. I'm just doing in front of you on the board. Is this clear? How did I get the x value? Put here. You're getting 720 as an answer. Am I clear with this? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
What is the 38th question? What is 5% of 5% of 200 rupees? 5 by 100 of 5 by 100 of how much? 200, right? Yeah. So 0, 0, 0, 0 gets cancelled. 5 ones are, 5 20s are, 5 ones are, 5 4s are. So how much is the answer? 2 by 4. How much is 2 by 4?
Half.
Exactly. Is half there? Half in the sense 0.5 is there? In the option? 0.50. Yeah, we have no. Option 4. Fourth option. So answer is 0.50.
Yes, ma'am.
Very much clear. Okay. Now, what is the next question? I am in the question number 37. Right? 37. 35% of a number is 35% of the number is 12 less than 50% of that number. 12 less than 50% of that number. Okay, this is 35 of the number and it is 50. You should minus that of a number. Okay, how much it is giving you? 12 it is giving you. Am I correct? If you solve this, you will get the answer. If I solve this, how much I will get? 50 minus 35 is 15 by 100. X is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 into 100 divided by 15. This 3s are 5 3s are 15, 5 20s are 3 1s are 3 4s are 4 into 20 is 80. 80 is there in the option? Yeah, first option. First option you have no 80. Am I clear with this? My dear students, x is equal to 80. Samiksha, clear Samiksha, Raghu?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
80. Yeah, 80 is your first answer. Now, I need to move to the next question. That is my 36th question. 36th question is saying me what? If two numbers are respectively 20% and 50% of a third number, what is the percent of the first number? Here I myself may get confused. But since I have done it so many times, there is a first number, there is a second number, and there is a third number. Okay. So let me just keep the first number 20 and second number 50. And the third number, I don't know. Two numbers are respectively 20%, 50% of a third number. So let me keep third number as 100. So 20% of 100 is 20, 50% of 100 is 50. If I assume like this, what percent is the first number of the second number? Of the second number. So second number should be in the denominator. So second number is this. Since it is off, so it will go to the denominator. And I'm asking of the first number. So this is of the first number. And if I do this into 100, 0, 5 ones are 5 fours are. So you will get 40%. 40% is there as an answer? Yeah, my option 4. Fourth option is my answer. Check out. I just assumed the third number to be 100. Very simple. If third number is to be 100, first number is 20% of the number, second number is 50% of the number. I want the second number ratio to the first number. So I will get 40 as an answer. Check out, everyone. Am I clear? Did you all get this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The 35th question, and I know that people may have been committed mistake here also. It's very simple. A's income is 10% more than B's income. Let me just, assume that B's income is 100 rupees. A's income is 10% more. That means A's income is 110. Okay, 10% more. How much percent is B? B's income less than A's income. How much percent B's income is less than A's income? Less than A's income. So how much it is less? 10. So you should only take 10 in the numerator because it is 10% less. Which number are you taking as a base? 110 into 100. So how much is that going to give? 0, 0 gets cancelled. So you will get 100 by 11 as the answer. But 100 by 11 can also be written as what? 9, 1 by 11. Why? 9 into 11, 99. 99 plus 1 is 100. 100 by 11. So answer is what? Your option 3. Third option is your answer. Check out, my dear students. See, B's income
Yes, ma'am.
is 100. B's income, if it is 100, A's income will become 10 more. That is 110. How much more? Only more they have asked. How much more it is? 10 to what? For A, 110 into 100. You will get 100 by 11. That can also be written as 9, 1 by 11. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
My dear students, everyone are clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You have the material of the institute. You have percentage in that as a chapter. Please go through it. Solve as many as problems you can solve. Any doubts, please get back to me. But you should be clear with the percentage as of now. We have done all kinds of problems. Every kind of problem we have covered. Is that clear to everyone? Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Samiksha, Nikhil, Raghu,
Yes, ma'am.
Aradhya, are you comfortable with the topic now?
Yes,
Vijay,
ma'am.
Ardra, Gautam, my dear Sahil, Krishnanjali, Vaibhav, Nitin, Rishi. Are you comfortable with the topic, Rishi?
Yes, ma'am.
Only the thing is you need to solve as many questions as you can because your maths paper is of 10%, which will be very simple. Why do you want to leave the chance of scoring good in it? Right? So that's how it is. Any queries?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.